You're about to watch something and it's about the DJI and no antennas, and I'm kind of a little bit blown away. So check this out and tell me what you think. Remember, I got no antennas on. G'day, Stu from UAVfutures here, and welcome back to another episode of Happy Flying number 37. And if you're new to the channel, Happy Flying episodes, we get together, we fly around, have some fun, and talk about all things FPV. And today, well, I'm flying out on a DJI system, and I want you to put your comments down below what quad you think I'm flying, because there's a few that I'm testing. This one is very nice indeed, but the crazy part, I just thought, well, the weather looks beautiful. I'm going to go out for a quick rip. It was the first pack of the day. Look at this, coasting across the top of the wheat right there, and this is the DVR recorded in the DJI goggles. But I was getting a few little breakups here and there that I thought, oh, that's a little bit strange. Normally I don't get this. Thought there might be something in the air. Maybe there was some radio signal, because I don't have too much experience with the DJI goggles, and thought, well, maybe this is just something I'll have to get used to. But I had no idea that when I got back and I looked in my bag, in my flight bag, I saw I still hadn't put on any antennas. There's still 4 little antennas sitting on there. So I've got to give it to the system in that regard. Flying without antennas, I was actually getting a lot better range than I would have thought anyway. Definitely, I don't know, with your expectations, there's no way I would have, I can't believe it that I didn't lose this thing in the grass or something. Can you imagine trying to find that out in some of these fields? I did get a few little hiccups here and there. So you notice here it speeds up or it does something weird. That's not me messing around in the editing. That's actually how the DVR was encoded when it got it back. So I was getting some breakup and that sort of stuff that's, I guess, not coming through exactly the same on this as when I was watching it on like live in the goggles. But yeah, overall I just thought it was kind of interesting, and just goes to show that with antennas that we should be able to get some still pretty good range. Even if you have the worst antennas on here, even with no antennas, it was still more than enough to fly around. But what I can't wait to do as well is test out some new antennas and just some different stuff, see if we can push the ranges of this system. But something I'm getting a little bit concerned about, or I don't see anybody else talking about. I've seen some cool posts of people wrapping tin foil around their head because I was talking about it, but these goggles actually pump out a signal as well. So is that concerning? I don't know. Are you guys worried about that? You know, on the 5G band or whatever it is, on the 5.8 gigahertz, whatever it's pumping out, it's right next to your head. Is that ionizing or doing however that works next to our big buckets of water, our brains? I'm thinking about what are the long-term effects of this system on our brain going to be as well. So I definitely want to see if I can investigate that for you guys. And I don't know if you're interested, but if you are, you know, leave me a comment down below. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Definitely subscribe for more FPV related content. I've got some more videos coming I'm going to be working on tomorrow. This was just a fun little bonus happy flying video. Huge shout out to my Patreons. I couldn't do this job without you, so thank you so much for allowing me to create this content. I'm hoping you're enjoying the things that I'm putting out. Other than that, I love everybody. Hope we can all get out for a rip this weekend, have an awesome time, rip a few packs. And as I come in just here, you can see I wasn't paying attention, but if you look at my head, and also this is a beautiful spot to fly around, but the snakes were freaking me out. If you look at my head, yeah, you'll see no antennas on there. Like, this is just dumb. I don't know why I was flying out here. You know, obviously I thought I had antennas on, but this could have been an absolute disaster trying to find it in there. If the battery had have ejected, if I had a crashed or lost video, it would have taken me absolutely hours to try and find. But I don't know. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that. Subscribe for more FPV related content. I've got some really cool stuff coming up this week that I can't wait to show you. And as always, happy flying. I think I'm just going to let this play out, because then I don't want to sound like I'm making it up. So then you can actually see me coming in, no antennas on my head, thinking everything's honky-dory, you know, thinking, oh, maybe the air unit's heating up or something like that. But as we come in right here, what do we notice? Oh, look at that, no antennas.